And in our top business story, business activity in the UAE declined last month, according to data released in the latest HSBC UAE Purchasing Managers Index. The UAE's non-oil private sector edged down in July to 58.0 points from 58.2 points in June, according to the index, which measures the performance of the manufacturing and services sectors. It stayed close to a peak of 58.3 points hit in April, which was the highest level since the survey was launched in August 2009. A reading above 50 points in the survey of 400 private sector firms indicates expansion and below 50 contraction. Output growth dropped to 61.6 points last month from 63.3 points in the previous month, while new orders growth fell more moderately. Employment growth slowed slightly but stayed comfortably in positive territory. Input price inflation edged down to 55.0 points, while output price growth increased slightly but was still negative at 49.5 points. Recent forecasts from the Institute of International Finance show that the country's non-oil economy will grow at 5.4% this year, which is the highest rate in 7 years. The IIF also predicts that the UAE's overall GDP growth will ease to 4.2% for the year, down from 4.7% last year. Abu Dhabi's hotels and hotel apartments reported their best half-year performance yet in terms of hotel guests, guest nights and revenues, with occupancy reaching 77%, according to the Tourism and Culture Authority. In a statement, the TCA reported that 1.7 million guests checked into the Emirates accommodation during the first half of this year, marking a 28% increase over the same period last year. The arrivals delivered nearly 5.15 million guest nights, which is a 22% uplift compared to the first half of 2013, with occupancy climbing 8% year-on-year. The statement released by TCA attributed the bullish half-year performance to a jump in year-on-year figure for the month of June, which saw guest arrivals increase by 14% to 264,203. Jassim Al-Darmaki, Deputy Director General at TCA, commented on H1 figures, saying that the occupancy increase should also be viewed alongside the fact that the number of hotels in the Emirate in June this year stood at 154, with a total of 27,405 rooms against June 2013, when there were 145 hotels, accounting for 25,270 rooms. Additionally, Al-Darmaki added that there was an increase in the number of guests from the UAE market, the GCC, China, Russia, India, France, Germany and the UK, with the results for H1 leaving Abu Dhabi well placed to attain its 2014 hotel guest target of 3.2 million. Etihad Airways has enjoyed the busiest 4 days in the history of the airline, with 181,333 passengers flying with the Abu Dhabi-based airline during the post-Eid al-Fitr period. On Saturday, the 2nd of August, 46,572 passengers boarded Etihad Airways flights, with 45,981 flying on Sunday, 44,443 passengers on Friday and 44,331 passengers on Thursday, 31st of July. The 181,333 figure for the 4 days is an increase of 36% over the same period at the end of Eid al-Fitr in 2013, when 133,007 passengers took an Etihad Airways flight. The load factor for this period also rose from 79.3% in 2013 to 88.1% this year. Each Etihad Airways cabin experienced a significant increase, with first-class load factors rising by 6.1 percentage points, business class by 12.1 percentage points and economy class by 8.6 percentage points. Dubai real estate developer Damac has bought 55 million square feet of land in Dubailand for $513 million, according to a statement from the company sent to the London Stock Exchange. The acquisition would be financed with some of the $650 million raised in a sukuk during the second quarter this year. Commenting further in the bourse statement, Damac said that the land bank is over 30% larger than Damac's current Akoya master planned development of 42 million square feet, and the acquisition is in line with the company's long-term strategy of replenishing its land bank with land in prime Dubai locations to ensure a consistent pipeline of future sales inventory. Dubailand was a major development east of the Dubai city, owned by Dubai Properties Group, that was intended to include theme parks and residential areas.